Hi there, this is Ace Guzman, and I want to thank you for stopping by this video today. If it's your first time here, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel so you don't miss a beat when we go live and when we upload new content. What are we going to talk about in today's video? Well, have you been wondering about the new changes that have been happening on Facebook for 2020? They've pretty much been changing a lot of different things, but we're going to take things down to a little bit of the basics because here we're going to find out about what's changed in Facebook when it comes to posting on the new Facebook look timeline, and we'll see the differences, and we're going to go into that right now. So let's take a look over here on the screen. So right now, what I've done for you is I actually provided a split division between the old classic look and the new Facebook 5 look that is actually available right now. So what you're seeing right here in the old classic look, the one that you're used to, when you post on your timeline, it still says what's on your mind. And you'll notice that you have your tabs here: create post, photo video, live video, life event, photo video, tag friends, feeling and activity, and then also the three dots, which is the menu. Well, this is going to disappear. I'm sorry to tell you this, but Facebook has now made it mandatory by default. The new Facebook look, which is this right here, which actually is more mobile optimized. And so that whole tab area is gone, and now it's changed to this where it is says what's on your mind, but now you have access quickly to the live video icon. You have still your photo and video upload tag button, and then you have your life event right in front of you. And when you click in the center of what's on your mind, it's going to open up the menu, and you're going to be able to choose between making your post public, sharing your post with your close friends that are connected with you on your Facebook account. You can also click on this tab right here that says friends accept specific people that you don't want to have see the specific post. So say, for example, you had some very important details to say about like an upcoming wedding, but you don't want the future mother-in-law to see the wedding pictures and of the other side of the family, like the groom or anything, because they might kind of tattletale. What you can do is select your future mother-in-law or future father-in-law's name if they're your friends on your Facebook account, and then you would say accept them. I don't want them to see that photograph or post that I'm posting. So I noticed something about this. I noticed that the window's a little bigger, and there is an icon here with all the different colored themed backgrounds. So remember how in the old menu you would be able to see this right away? Well, same thing here, except they're giving you more of an option. And you click the 4 squares, and look at this. Now they're opening what's available on mobile, because when you have your mobile device and you use the Facebook app on your mobile phone, you have access to all these other different themes that you can use for your background. So let's say, for example, I want to use this one. I can choose that now. Before, I would have to go on my mobile phone, and I would have to just select, do it from my phone and then post because I needed the access to the other advanced themes. Now it's all available to you on desktop, so you can do that. The other thing is, here's your emojis. You can access your emojis right here. They don't make it look obvious though. It's very invisible almost. So just know that it's right next to the 4 squares, and you can actually see all of your available emojis if you want to put any type of emojis. And then right here it says add to your post. You've got create room. This is so new right now because if you click on this, this is now available to you to create a group room that you can chat with multiple friends on Facebook, and you can, find out a start time. You could do invite only. You can choose how you want to do it. You can say, hey, it's Ace's room, or your room. You could say, what you plan to do with the room, or you can do it from scratch, right? You can put a little icon on it and say, we're going to be talking about someone's birthday, and we're going to plan someone's birthday party, and then you click save, and now you'll be able to create a room. So there's a lot of different options around here. Look at this. Who's invited? Well, my friends only, or invite specific friends. You can choose that. We're going to go back browser here. Okay, and start time. You can choose the start time, or you can schedule it. Look at that. You can actually schedule it. I like that too. So let's say we're scheduling it for the 8th, and we're saying it's going to be around 1 o'clock in the afternoon. So we're going to go to 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Okay. and then save, and there you go. You created a scheduled room that you're gonna have a group activity and a conversation right in the room. How awesome is that? So you have that option as well. Upload pictures. Look at that. Look what it's saying. This can't be combined with what you chose in the background. The only way it's gonna work, see how it's grayed out, is if you take this whole thing and go back to the white square, and now there it is, it returned back. Okay, so if that happens to you, what I just showed you right there, you can now access it. Now you can upload your photos or upload videos, MP4s and things like that. Tag your friends. Here's the silhouette. The icon is right there in front of you. You can choose that. Here it is in the old one, but we're not using the old one, we're using the new one. So guys, we got to get used to this. This is the new one now. Then we have feeling and activities, and we can choose, how we feel: happy, sad, thankful, blissful activities. I'm celebrating, I'm watching something, I'm reading something, right? You can choose those right there. And then check-ins are going to be right here. So you can check in where you were eating at, or, you're hanging out at the bar or whatever. And then you have your 3 dots, which is your more. And then you have access to, start a watch party, raise some money for some funding, animated GIFs, GIFs. These are all wonderful. I love using these. And we can do that and choose by keyword. So we say Saturday, self-care Saturday, like the look at Chihuahua, doesn't he look cute? And you can do that, or you have, everything that I just talked about is available in just one menu. So there's multiple ways to now access it. You can do it this way, or you can choose the 3 dots down here and access it this way, okay? But pretty much that's all that is there to it. And I want to show you that this is very simple. So let's say, for example, it's someone's birthday. How do you wish them a happy birthday? You say happy birthday. And we want to tag somebody. So we just hit tag. We're going to go like this. Simple as this. Just hit the tag button. And now you can tag your closest friends. So let's say I'm going to choose Deborah. And now automatically Deborah is tagged. And once I'm done tagging Deborah, I can click done. But check this out. Notice how in this bar, you can tag multiple people. What if they have the same birthday? So let's say Deborah and Jeanette has the same birthday, right? Then you can choose the 2 people and then click done. And what that does is it automatically tags them in the post, right? And so while you have this happy birthday, you want to put some emojis. Remember what I said, go right over here, select some emojis. We got some birthday cake, right? We got some party hats, right? Streamers. And that's it. So that's as simple as it's gonna be. And I feel bad that the old classic version is going away. I've been so used to it, but you know what? It's opening another opportunity. And I am going to really work on learning about the new one. And when I do, I'm going to bring it to you. That's right. What I learned new here, just like I did today, I'm going to be bringing it to you. So let me know what you want to know about the new Facebook, and post your questions below this video. If you got value from this video, give it a thumbs up. Let me know your questions about what you like to learn about the new Facebook. And just understand, it's going to be trial and error. There's no tutorials on this at all. When I contacted Facebook, I actually asked if they had any tutorials, and they're like, nope, it's totally brand new. So you know what that means? Open opportunity for everyone to post what they're learning about on Facebook. So with that being said, I want to thank you so much for stopping by this video today. As I said, if it's your first time here, be sure to hit the subscribe button, click the notification bell so you don't miss a beat when we go live and when we upload new content. And if you'd like to know how to work with me and my partner, Rich Guzman, on how to develop your persona and your brand online and social media like Facebook, and know how to post where you get the highest engagement as well as leads and sales, click the link below this video for more information about that, and it'll take you to a video where you could get all that information and your questions answered. Thank you so much. My name is Ace Guzman, and I will see you on the next video. Take care.